before this video starts, make sure you push the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks. What's up, guys? YFZ Predator, and today we are doing another unboxing video. Okay, this is a big board kit. If you watch my other unboxing, I told you guys I was doing another unboxing on my big board kit. I ordered this big board kit from BP Racing ATVs. They were really nice. The reviews on them weren't good because of their shipping, supposedly. The shipping's pretty good. It kind of took a while. It took a week. It's okay. I wasn't in a rush to get it. But that's all I have to say right now. For now, let's see how everything is. The reason why it took a week for me, they told me 3 days at first, but then they contacted me. His name was Paul from BP Racing. He told me it's going to take longer because they didn't have the oil pump. So they were waiting for that from Yamaha. So that's why it took long for me. Let's get into this unboxing. So I ordered a big board kit, 500 cc's, a whole rebuild kit because I blew out my motor, my engine, in my very first video on this channel. At the end, you can see that I blew it out. You hear a click. Everything, so that's what happened. That's why I need this. It's been like almost been about 6 months. 6 months, I could say, when I blew it out, and I'm barely ordering my stuff. It's a really good unboxing here. We got a lot of stuff. Good packaging. So the first thing we got here in the unboxing is our gasket. This is the complete gasket for YFZ450. Pretty good. I like everything. Everything's sticking well. I like how that's a little loose and everything's all hooked in. But that's fine. That's the complete gasket. It looks like it's from, I don't know where that's from. Pretty good. That's the first thing in our box. Put this on the side. The second thing is our oil seals. And it's complete too. Got all this. Really good. So that's it. And guys, this is from BP Racing. If you guys need any parts, go check them out. Go check them out. Let's see what else we got in here. Guys, before I continue, make sure you guys like and hit the subscribe button. I need some subscribers, man. Come on. We get 150 views on one video, but we should have 150 subscribers. So go hit that button, hit the subscribe button, and do all that. So let's see. Let's start on the small things here. The small thing is our oil pump. So this is original oil pump from Yamaha. That's the thing, it took a while for it to come in. Packaging is a little beat up. Hey, but that's fine. They probably just sent this. Yamaha probably just sent this to them in a little packaging and it messed up. Yeah, that's fine. Let's open this, see how it is. So, very packaged, really good. Nothing in there. The oil pump, pretty good. Original manufacturer, that's pretty good. That's what I like. Really good. So far, so good, man. I'm supposed to have 9 things in here. Already went out through 2 things. This is my 3rd thing right here. Yamaha original manufacturer. They have a lot of parts, guys. So I'm gonna include the website in my description. Go check them out. I think these are the bearings. I think that's what they're called. Yep, that's what it is. These are huge. I didn't think they were that huge. Pretty good. Pretty good. The bearings. I think this one's a little bit more. No, it's the same size. So those are the 2 bearings. I think that's what they're called. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. Guys, if you guys like these unboxing videos, make sure you guys comment saying you guys like, and hit that like button for more. What else we got here? Small one. We got a timing chain. This came included with the kit. Good little timing chain. Yeah, timing chain. Really good. All these parts are heavy duty, it feels like, man. Really good. Really good. For this kit, guys, it's 100. Not 100. What the hell? If it was 100, man, I would have been ordering these parts every single day. It's 929, I believe. I think that's how much it was. 929. But for all of this, man, it's not bad. Still have what, 4 more things to unbox here. These are the, yeah, I think that's what it is. The shift. I don't know what these are called. I really don't know. The shifters. I'm not sure. It's for the clutch. It's for Raptor 700 or YFZ450. Depending on, I have to get those out. Fuck. Yes. Open both sides. There it is. Got springs in there. Pretty good, pretty good. So far, so good. All the reviews I've seen on them were and all that. Hey, it's good. I'm liking it so far. Just wait until YFZ's back in business. 500 cc's. Oh yeah. Struggle to put this back in. Oh, it wasn't that bad. That was gonna be worse. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure you click that subscribe button and like this video, if not done so already. Put that to the side. Let's see. What else we got here? We got our piston. JE piston. Pretty good piston. Pretty good, pretty good. So we got the ring set here for the piston. Open this up. The rings. Then comes with instructions and everything. Oh, sticker. There's another one right here too. That's good, pretty good. Big sticker. Put these on my quad for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Put this to the side and keep those out. For sure, for sure. Okay. Yeah, it comes with instructions. Let's see what else this is. Put everything back before I open something else. Man, so far I'm liking BP Racing right now. I think I'm gonna start ordering a lot from them. So this is for the piston. I really don't know what this is called. Doesn't have a name, but yeah, there's that. Really heavy duty, man. Even has the part numbers and all that on here. Really good so far. Then we got the piston. Piston, really good piston. Their JE pistons are pretty good. Then got more instructions on it. How to put it in. See if you got any more stickers. Good instructions. Yeah. Stop instructions. Let's see what this is. Looks like the parts, part number and all that. How to install, type of bike. And guys, and this kit runs on pump gas and racing gas. One thing to be, sorry guys, sorry. Okay, fuck this. Okay, let's see. Put all this back in. Then it looks like we have some rings right here. I'm not gonna take them off. They're attached here. I'm gonna leave them. Pretty sure my mechanic's gonna need that. So let's put this off to the side. I'm missing something. Something else goes in here. I think it was the rings. Where's the rings? Yep. Put the rings back in. Close this up and go to another thing. Guys, when this starts getting installed, keep you guys up on updates on this. So when it's done, you know we're gonna do another video back. You know it. Let's see. Should we say this for last? Let's save that for last. Let's go to this. Let's see what this is. So it says YZ450. Let's see. I think this is a cylinder to be that. I have it in the cylinder and that's all. And this is big. Got down. Got through already. Ah. Yep. Yep. So guys, this is a cylinder. I don't remember how big the cylinder is to be exact. But let's find out. Guys, they even have a eBay site. They have an eBay site that you can order that stuff from. But what I did, I called it in, I ordered it. It's coming from California. These parts. So let's see. Bring my long ass extension cord over here. So let's pull this out. Really good packaging. I love the packaging. Wow. Yep. Really good cylinder here. And guys, I needed a whole new rebuild. I was just gonna buy a whole new engine off of eBay, but I'm like, no, let's make this quad faster. Let's make it faster. Now what's in here? No. Let's make it faster. I love it faster. And yeah, and let's take it to the track when it's done. Like drag race. People, see if I can smoke them. See if it makes a difference. But guys, when it's done, I'm gonna bring a video first thing. Love the packaging. The shipping they could do better. I think it took forever, but how I told you guys, it was because I needed the original. They didn't have the original part in the oil pump, so that's what I was waiting on to get here. But guys, we save the best for last. This is the crank from Hot Rod. It's heavy. Oh shit, it's heavy. But it's a Postman. Hot Rod. Hot Rods. Really good packaging. Good Hot Rods is pretty good. Let's see. Oh. Wow. Heavier than I thought. Way heavier. Yep. I'm not going to take it out because then, no, I'm not going to take this one out. This one's heavy. Everything's already connected. Then those, all you got to do, I think this is where the bearings go. I'm not 100% correct on that, but yeah, this is everything in this kit. This kit was $929. If you guys want the same kit, I'll include the link in the description to their eBay and their website. They have a whole different other quad parts, anything you could think of. Really good pricing. I love it. It's really good. And the other stuff, let's put this back. Really good stuff. Bad review? No, it's good. I like it. So if you guys are thinking of ordering from BP, I recommend you ordering from him. Talk to Paul. He's a good guy. He's really good. And the other thing it came with was these stickers. Now don't forget the stickers. These are the best parts to put on your quad. I love putting stickers on my quad. Got more here. Hot rod. These came in a separate package, so that's why they're open already. I should have never opened that, but yeah, here's this. Pretty good. Pretty nice stickers. These are gonna be on my quad. I just don't know where I'm gonna put them yet. I think I'm gonna save one. I think I'm gonna save this. I'm not sure. They're gonna all go on my quad, I think. But I'll let you guys know. If you guys have any more questions, go hit up BP Racing if you have any more questions. I'll leave the link in the description. This is not a sponsored video. Come on, guys. How's this gonna be a sponsored video? But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys like, make sure you like and subscribe. And leave comments what you think about the video. Let me know. I'd like to see all you guys' comments. And yeah, thanks for watching.